Blue Magic for my scalp because, yes, I'm back using Blue Magic. I'm sorry, it worked my whole childhood. Ain't no reason why it ain't gonna work as I'm grown. Like, as a black community and as a natural community, as some stuff our ancestors just told us to use and we need to use it in the discussions. No more accent. I get chemicals. I get all that. But if people still walking around getting relaxers, I'm gonna use my Blue Magic. Shine and Jam and She's Bomb Edge Control. So the Shine and Jam is for the body of the braids, like my parts. I don't want to put edge control on my scalp. Not my scalp, but like in the middle of my parts. I'm going to use the Shine and Jam. She is Bomb for, this is my favorite edge control, y'all. Like, I don't know what's this putting this edge control, and I'm going to be real upset if it's not black on because it just give me black on. Cause just to the packaging and the color, but yes, She is Bomb. My comb, well, clips, two crocodile clips, another crocodile clip, a bigger one, edge brush that I just cleaned. Then I got my little stand for my hair, my favorite comb that broke the other day, so I had to go get a new one. And then my pre-stretched 60 inches number 2 braiding hair, glance formation. It's my favorite hair. I typically only need 1 pack when I'm doing anything. So I bought 2 because I was doing something else. Done this side. It's not the best looking braids that I have ever done, but it's cute enough that I can get my wisdom teeth removed and I don't have to do anything to my hair for a couple weeks. Y'all, I was right on time. It is 2:12 and I am done. So now they don't look like the best braids. Give me some, you know, give me some. But they will get the job done for 2 weeks. I'm about to lay these edges, put a little mousse on it. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna use some of my Care mousse. I'm sorry, I can't get into the lot body and all that. I use Care. I use Care shampoo, Care conditioner, Care everything, because I just like Care. It does me well. It never forsakes me. My hair is always moisturized. I used it when I had relaxer. I used it then when I'm natural. And I put some in. And I also just go like this. And I also put some on the end of the braids, just so my hair, you know. Think about maybe a little ponytail, but not right now. Okay. Now, put the top on all my little things. Clean as you go, clean as you go. Like when you're cooking, when your mom say clean as you go, clean as you go, what I'm doing here. Okay, so now I'm taking edge control. She's on edge control. Excuse me for a second while I get all up in y'all face. Y'all, I mean, I'm gonna have soda on my iPad and died. Oh, and y'all only use 1 pack of hair. So, if you plan on doing this on yourself, I really only use 1 pack. I don't know how about to style these edges right now, but I'm about to do a little something. So I'm back when he's done. All right, y'all. So I just did my little edges. And I'm gonna spray it with some holding spray, with some finishing spray, firm hold from Care. This is a Care household, okay? And then, hey y'all, so I'm back. Let me shut my blinds so it won't be no glare like that. So yeah, I'm back and I'm about to go to this cookout, but this is the finished product of the hair with the edges. You know how I do. I'm gonna sit y'all right here. But yes, y'all, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.